Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then what are the drugs which are used as incretin mimetics? Okay, first we have glucagon like peptide 1 agonists or incretin analogs. Okay, these glucagon like peptide 1 agonist or incretin analog is also an incretin mimetics. The drugs include exenatide, liraglutide, albiglutide, lixisenatide. Okay, then second group of drugs here we have dipeptidyl peptidase 4 inhibitors, which are actually DPP4 inhibitors. These are also incretin mimetics. These include sitagliptin, ritagliptin, vildagliptin, sitagliptin, ritagliptin, vildagliptin, linagliptin, allogliptin, saxagliptin. Okay, so these are dipeptidyl peptidase 4 inhibitors.
thank you and thank you for watching.